She says, "It's just pain in the ear." That's what the doctors called it. Something small, something physical, something they can name without asking questions. But they don't hear what she hears. Words that stay louder than they should. Voices that echo even in silence. Be strong. Stop complaining. You are too sensitive. Each sentence a sharp whisper cutting deeper than sound ever should. She presses her ears like she can hold the noise back, like she can block out what has already entered her. But pain doesn't knock, it lives. Even in quiet rooms, she hears everything, things said, things unsaid, things she wishes she never listened to. They say it's just Otalgia, but how do you explain that the real pain is not in her ears? It's in what they have heard and refused to forget.